Manufacturing facilities are highly complex environments where many things occur at the same time. To meet these challenges, MultiSystems enhances manufacturing plants and distribution center operations, maximizing the benefits of automated identification and data collection solutions. Enabling workers to excel, backed by 35 years of innovation in the industry. MultiSystems Inc. provides technology solutions for various steps in the manufacturing process, such as enterprise-level integrated access control, intrusion detection, and building automation solutions. Card and badge printers to better identify workers and provide authorized access to specified locations in the facilities. Enterprise-class rugged tablets and software solutions to have visibility of your operations from anywhere. Conveyor belt to ease the movement of materials. Label applicator solutions ensure print quality and barcode readability through the lifetime of the product. Vision systems that inspect appearance, characters, positioning, and possible defects in the products. Rejection stations to automate the removal of defective products seamlessly and with warning to the operators. RFID printers and certified print media including RFID tags, labels, readers, sensors, and antennas help workers easily trace the finished products and increase delivery efficiency. Our proof of delivery application to set up and define drivers' daily schedules and automate the delivery process. Use mobile computers, rugged tablets, or wearable mobile computers to quickly scan inventory during the receiving process at the warehouse for a seamless operation. MultiSystems Inc. is a Zebra Premier Solutions partner for over 30 years and is a Zebra Authorized Repair Center with a certified service team. MultiSystems Inc. Digitizing business since 1987. Connect with us today to find out more.